Hello friends, welcome back to the new video. In this video guys, we are going to talk about how to solve mobile data problem in our Samsung phone device. Guys, you want to solve your mobile data problem in your Samsung phone, so as you can solve it. And guys, now let's see how to solve mobile data problem in Samsung phone. In this video guys, I am going to show you. So first of all guys, open your phone setting to solve your mobile data problem. Then guys, scroll it. Then guys, click on your general management setting and guys scroll, and guys you can see reset. So guys tap here, guys click on reset network setting. So guys you can see your mobile data reset setting. After guys you can see this notification. So guys you have your pattern lock, you have your pin lock, and guys you have your password lock. So enter your password and pin, and guys I have this pattern lock, so I will draw my pattern. And guys you can see reset network setting, reset it. So then you can use your mobile data without any problem. After that guys you have any problem, so guys you can switch off your phone, then guys you can on. And guys second option is that guys don't worry, take a screenshot of your phone model number and guys send me on comment section. I will check, I will help you. And guys you can on your flight mode, then guys you can use it like, and guys you can on your flight mode from here, and guys off. Then guys you can use your mobile data without any problem. So with 3 setting guys I told you in this video, so as you can try which one you like most. So that's it guys, thanks for watching, bye bye friends.